Okay, Wendy's, I guess we're getting a little creative here. It's Tasting Tuesday, y'all.
Delicious.
I tried the dreamsicle and it wasn't very much to my liking. It was different than what I thought that it would be, but this is the new triple berry Frosty from Wendy's. You see that here? The new one that they just released for summertime. So let's get into this taste test. I opened the lid a little bit. It smells like some type of strawberry berry yogurt. So let's taste it. I don't know what they was doing with that dreamsicle, maybe because it was like the end of it being on the menu, so they was running out of the orange flavored Frosty mix, but this is actually pretty good. I could get with this. I wonder if this is like their version of like the Grimace shake. I know that was supposed to be like blueberry vanilla flavor, but I never tried that one. But this, it could use a little bit more fruit flavor, but it's actually pretty good for it to just be I like it. I think it's pretty good. Okay, now for the review and the rating. So for this, I would rate this, actually, I'd give it a 4 out of 5 because I think that it has a good flavor. It could use a little bit more, but I think this is good. It says triple berry, and that's what I taste. I do taste a little bit more strawberry, but you can't really go wrong with strawberries and cream, right? Yes, no? I still don't understand what the issue is with the dreamsicle. But hey, it is what it is. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching Tasting Tuesday. Make sure you go check out the Dreamsicle review. Also, check out the Make It Yourself, MIY Dreamsicle that you can make at home, quick and easy. And let me know if you would like to see the Triple Berry, the new summertime, the Frosty of the summer Triple Berry, if you want to see a recipe for that, where you can make it at home. Probably with some better ingredients, too. All right, I'll see you on another Tuesday where I taste some stuff. Bye. Okay, no, really, this is... I actually like this. It's pretty good.